Today I'm standing in front of 1825 West 18th Street on the west side of Anderson, Indiana. This 36,555 square foot industrial property, and with past tenants like Pepsi and Deli, this property could make someone a great investment or a great owner-occupant property as well. Hey, follow me. Let's take a look. Hi, I'm Bob with Top Choice Real Estate and the Living in Indiana team, bringing you the word on the street, talking Indiana real estate. This property includes over 2 acres. Outside, we've got an asphalt paved parking lot. And it's good for 60 spaces. And it's even got an electric gate back here. It's served by the City of Anderson utilities of water, sewer, and electricity. And natural gas is provided by Vectren. Moving indoors, we've got this 1-story building, which is nice because it's wide open and was built in 1955. Previously has housed Pepsi and Deli. And currently, as you can see, it houses the Luxen Paper Products Company. There's 6,000 square feet of office and storage space. Most of it is not being used at this point. Got a break room here, a couple private offices. Here was where the truckers would make their deliveries here to this desk area and reception area here. The remaining 30,000 square feet plus is set up for factory production and warehouse. And there really is nothing to get in your way in this building. It could be easily divisible. It is 121 feet wide and 300 feet deep. You can actually drive right through the building. There's 4 14-foot overhead doors, space 2 on each side of these 2 divided off rooms. Each one of these rooms, I don't know, it's about 15,000 square feet. They've got production here as well as storage or warehouse space. And then over here is completely warehouse space. The ceiling height ranges from 14.5 to 16 feet. The roof was new in 2017. It's a rubber and TPO membrane system. Back here we've got 2 recessed docks. Now the electrical system is pretty hefty. You've got 480 volts 3-phase with 2 1200 amp panels. There's also a security camera system. There's another one of the doors. And like I said, just lots and lots of warehouse space here. This property is conveniently located in Anderson, which is part of the Indianapolis, Indiana metro area. It is less than a half mile to State Highway 32. I believe it's 3 miles to State Road 9 and less than 5 miles to I-69, which connects Toronto and Detroit all the way down to Mexico. Plus, there's a rail line running down the back side of the building, which could be accessed. Luxen, which is the owner-occupant, would be interested in possibly doing a sale-leaseback for, I don't know, 4 to 12 months if that worked with a new owner's strategy. Okay, wrapping things up, you're looking at a 30,000 square foot plus building set on 2 acres and with a history of being home to such corporations as Pepsi and Deli. This property offers a great opportunity for an owner-occupant or a solid investment for the investor. Enough said. Let me know what questions you have. I work harder to make good things happen. Hey, you make it a great day now.